Namaste. I am JVN Professor Dr. Dharmendra Ahuja, Dean and Director, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and Member Board of Management, and also listed as Mentor for Change with Niti Aayog, Government of India, and ex-fellow MHRD, ex-fellow uh, Department of Health, Government of Rajasthan. Today, I will be sharing uh, the career opportunities for the pharmacist, which could be useful for all the aspirant pharmacists. So I'm just sharing the PPT. Just 1 minute. So this is the um, PowerPoint presentation, details about the career opportunities in pharmacist. So before starting, I would like to highlight here that for a pharmacist, different type of career opportunities there, and we can say three-dimensional career opportunities are there for pharmacists. One is in entrepreneurship sector, another is in government sector, and another is in uh, what we call corporate sector. So three-dimensional career opportunities are there for the pharmacist. We will be discussing here in the slides also. So before coming, I was just highlighting, like, it is, this pharmacist career is open for all, for government sector also, for private sector also, or corporate sector, and for entrepreneurship also. So coming to the slides. Just 1 minute. Yeah. So before starting, we should see how this COVID has changed the scenario. If we see after the COVID, a major change in the healthcare sector has came. Now peoples are more health conscious. Peoples are more lifestyle conscious. So that's why their what you say, their emphasis towards the healthcare has also increased. So in that scenario, scope of pharmacist has increased multiple folds, uh, either in the form of care section or in the form of manufacturing sections. As we have just seen, that India has become pharmacy for the world. India has created vaccines for the world. So after COVID, number of things has changed. As far as pharmacy education is concerned, after 10 plus 2, D farm can be done, B farm can be done. After B farm, M farm option is there. And after 10 plus 2, Pharm D, Doctor of Pharmacy course, which is recently started, that is also available. Then in M Pharm, different branches are there. PhD is there. So D Pharm, B Pharm, M Pharm, PhD, Pharm D, different courses are there for a pharmacy aspirant. If we see as a whole, what are the role of pharmacists? So data analysis, drug therapy, research, education, drug strategy, drug review, patient screening, PP, preservation, drug information, patient rounds. A broad area is there for pharmacists to work with. If we come to now this, mainly this role of pharmacist, or we can say the scope of pharmacist, as I told, there are three major sections. One is entrepreneurship. In entrepreneurship, pharmacist can start its own manufacturing unit, its own small research center, its own medical store. That is the entrepreneurship. A pharmacist gets license for all the things. If we come to the second part, which is corporate. So we can see different sections are there: regulatory affairs, pharmaceutical manufacturing, pharmacovigilance, hospital community pharmacy, clinical trials, academics, research and development, pharmaceutical marketing, medical writing, journalism. So in these all areas, the pharma companies or the domain companies usually ask for a pharmacy graduate. So number of areas are open. And of course, in government sector, drug inspector job is there, drug controller, drug analyst, and different type of administrative jobs in the healthcare sectors are also open for the pharmacist. So as a whole, we can say it's a broad area where a pharmacist can work. We will see one by one. Like suppose in clinical trial, we will just give a brief idea also. Like clinical trial is when a drug comes in the market, it has to pass different stages: phase first, phase second, phase third, and all these uh, tests are performed by skilled professionals, and those skilled professionals are pharmacists. Pharmaceutical manufacturing, number of manufacturing companies are there, and they all are asking B Pharm graduates at a entry level. Even M Pharm can join. So pharmaceutical manufacturing, complete corporate sector is open for the pharmacist. Hospital pharmacist, as I just told, the pharma D has came already: D Pharm, B Pharm, M Pharm pharmacology, M Pharm pharmacy practice, M Pharm clinical pharmacy. These all students or the pharmacy graduates can join this sector. They can guide the patient about the drug interaction. This is not only giving the drug, this is also guiding the patient that he or she should not take two medicine equally, simultaneously, or whatever the guidance should be given, like how the food should be taken and everything. Interestingly, if we see in developed countries, the even the prescription is being analyzed by the pharmacist at the end, and if he is checking whether the physician has uh, given correct combination of medication, or is if there is any updation is required. So to that extent, a pharmacist can go in a developed country world. Of course, pharma R&D, all new drugs which are being launched in the market are basically from pharma companies, and behind that, of course, pharmacist is there. So it's a huge area where the pharmacist can work. Of course, pharmaceutical marketing, at the end when the drug has to come in the market, in the marketing part also pharmacist is playing a vital role. If we see the experts speak, all experts are saying that post COVID, the scope of pharmacist has increased multiple folds. So lessons to learn, like for employees, uh, for us, we have to increase our skill because nowadays environment is changing. So for a pharmacist should change his attitude, his understanding, his skills regularly, his or her skills. Then only he or she will be able to cope up with the market changes. For employers, they also should learn that when the skills requirements are changing, they also should learn how to make the recruitment policies, how to make the perks for the pharmacist or the for the healthcare professionals. So post COVID, number of career opportunities has increased. As I have just highlighted also what are the career opportunities uh, for a pharmacist. Thank you. Thanks a lot.